Minimal art is a type of abstract art, particularly painting and sculpture, characterized by extreme simplicity of form and a deliberate lack of expressive content. It can be seen as extending, stretching out, broadening, challenging, breaking the limitations, expanding, and deliberately confronting the abstract idea that art should have its own reality and not be an imitation, a replica, or a copy of ideas and concepts from another era, genre, and movement. Minimal art sets out to expose the essence, capture the spirit, express the essentials, and liberate the identity of a subject through eliminating all non-essential forms, features, elements, and concepts. Want to know more? The Seed Gallery Art History and Economics Glossary has an inventory of resources about art history, movements, contemporary art market economics, design concepts, and more. Visit seedgallerynewyork.com.